Good morning everyone. My name is Bhushan and I study in class 10B. Today I am presenting my project titled Starlight, the Lost Invention. Now, this is only a replica of the original Starlight material because the creator did not reveal the composition to the public. Now, Starlight was invented by a British hairdresser and an amateur chemist named Maurice Ward between the years 1970s and the 1980s. But the recipe which was included in his original Starlight was not revealed to the world, and when he died, the recipe of Starlight died with him. Now, what is Starlight? Starlight is an intimate material or a material that can sustain very high amounts of heat. Here, it is believed that Starlight could also sustain temperatures exceeding 10,000 degrees Celsius. Now, what are the materials required? The materials required for making Starlight are baking soda, cornstarch and normal glue. Here I use Fevicol to bind both of these materials. Now, how does Starlight work? Starlight works because when we heat the Starlight, it turns black immediately and the bubbles of carbon begin to form. Carbon, being one of the most basic substances of organic material, is left behind as a skeleton. In this case, when cornstarch is burnt, the baking soda releases carbon dioxide, which protects the carbon layer further from burning because it displaces oxygen from the air. Here, we also see that when carbon dioxide starts building beneath the surface, it pushes the newly formed carbon layer outwards towards the flame. So we get an effect where the deeper the heat gets into the surface of the Starlight, the more it is being pushed out by the foam of Starlight. Now, what are the applications? The Starlight has numerous applications, but I believe these three are the best applications the Starlight could have. First is in firefighting, second is in aerospace, and lastly we can use it in a nuclear attack too because it is a thermal blast radiator. With this, I end my project. Thank you.